Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome to another weekly video results from our live room. I have chosen a couple of pairs, the ones that gave us more room. We already have some positions running from the beginning of this month. In some cases we have our win-win scenario, in some we are still waiting our second target to be met, but we will talk only about one since this is the one this week. I will start now first with gold, and we were waiting for a trendline break and a breakout above my resistance area. I saw here a nice retracement. We had it in our watch list. APO 35 pips more or less. Our last position now is 105. Okay, win-win scenario definitely. 4 times our APO, and we are still staying in this trade because we have plenty of room to cover. So with like 35 pips we can go for 350, 10 times our APO. The only thing, of course, you need is patience. Stay in, trail your APO on higher settings. You have done it, no problem. Now on GBP Aussie that we discussed before, we know GBP pairs are volatile, Brexit news, etc. And again we had an opportunity after a resistance area broke. It was a late entry, that's why we went on M6. Again, APO was like 50 pips. We are still in this trade. If we zoom out, you will see now my last position is still 200 pips and still going, of course. Top-down approach, we will see we identify on Monday next possible target. We are in, no problem, no worries, another stress-free trade. Just stay in, and on Monday we will discuss again about this. On New Zealand dollar yen, we knew from our top-down approach that price was stuck in a wedge. We were waiting, of course, for the breakout. We had it in our watch list. We saw our opportunity, 25 pips already, almost 60 pips now in profit. Definitely win-win scenario, and you already know that we have plenty of room to go. That's why we had also this pair in our watch list. I mean, you could go for more than 800 pips, and of course next best thing is another retracement. We will check it definitely on Monday. And let's go to Aussie yen. Here we go, another wedge, another pair that we had it in our watch list for a breakout. We had our setup again. If you had your EAE, your entry would be like 20 pips of an APO. Win-win definitely once more. Last position running 60 pips, 3 times our APO here. So again, now since price has broken, it's following our main direction. That means major support area. It's the target. Last one is Aussie Kiwi. Here we go on Aussie Kiwi. We were waiting for the breakout. There was, a late entry after an M12 retracement. Again, APO like 20 pips, win-win scenario. Maybe you got stopped out if you have traded your APO on these settings. Again, more than 3 times our APO on Aussie Kiwi. If we add all this without, of course, adding our remaining positions from previous weeks, we have more than 500 pips, more than 15% only this week. Also, that's a good thing. Of course, we got stopped out in a couple of trades, but that doesn't mean anything because with our APO at the correct area, we have already gained this back. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again on Monday morning with our top-down approach. Have a beautiful, beautiful weekend.